Hey YouTube, it's Simona Brill. So I'm back. I took my hair out of the bonnet. I had a rather tight bonnet, so as you can see, some of my curls are a little bit smashed, but it's okay. It's still a cute style. Um, and like I said, it was tight, so like my bangs are a little wonky, so I'll fix that up. But anyway, so you guys, I did some self-care today. I did um, a mask. Um, was it black charcoal mask where you put it on and peel face, feeling good. Yes. What, baby? No, you can sit right here though. Don't mind her hair. I gotta do her hair a little bit later. You gonna sit right here?
I can't see.
I know, but you can look up at me and see, and then we'll watch it after, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I want to watch it do my hair with a braid.
Okay. So I got these from Ross. I did like a little Ross haul yesterday. Got some self-care stuff, some nice lavender soap. Um, these pretty little things. Went to the beauty supply store, got the charcoal mask. It was only $1.99. Cocoa butter. Just to put that on, certain places that with blemishes or, the mommy stretch mark scars. So right now we're just getting into self-care. So I'm going to do a little bit of styling. So my vision is to just like put some of this up. And if you see me look this way, it's because I have a mirror right here. So don't be bothered by me. Just to give it a cute little style. Wondering if I should have a little bit more or leave that down. Really, it's just to give this cute little impression of a style. Let's see, do I want that up? I actually like that down. If you hear some stuff in the background, it's because, of course, my child has a show on. I have... Nami, can you get that for me? I'm actually glad you're in here. Thank you, because that helps Mommy. Thank you. I got my Bible study on. Let's see if this is good. No, leave that on. Leave that on. Might need a little bit more. Stop. Sit down. Please, if you're going to be in here, you have to sit down. You can't mess with that. It's a hot iron. So, let's see. I think I need to put a little more up there to give it some oomph.
What is that in here?
That's the new soap I just got yesterday.
That's the new soap?
Yep, it feels and smells so good. It's lavender. Do you smell it?
No, this is what I'm saying. I'm not saying that. Doesn't mean you don't.
Yeah, I smell it. Thank you.
I actually came with a few of these with a few different colors.
Yeah, Mom.
So yeah, we're gonna put that up because I feel like I need a little bit more up in this ponytail to give me what I need. Ew, okay. Okay, all right. Got that Andre 3000 on in my hand.
I'm just saying, don't fire by force. But someone who has the fruit of hearing God.
Okay. That's a whole lot better to me. I'm actually feeling that.
This is why, if I can be honest, many of you are connected to the spiritual family. What's up, Geek? Many of you are connected to the spiritual family because the covering of which you do have. Amen. Hallelujah.
All right. So now we are going to fix the the bang part. Oh,
I'm not saying it has to
okay,
be our spiritual family.
okay.
Get under someone that
Yeah, we are coming into 2024, doing our self-care, um, loving on ourselves a whole lot more. I'm not just going to say a little bit because,
Jesus.
I mean, as much as we put in the time and effort to care for others, we need to still consider ourselves. I'm not a person that really puts a whole lot of focus on myself, but I am coming around to it a whole lot more in learning. You can't neglect yourself, especially as a mother, as a wife, as a spouse. You know, you got to remember you too. As much as you want to do for your kids, you can't forget about, your dreams and goals and the things that you want to accomplish and want to see. So that's what 2024 is for me. I'm already starting now. We are in December. Today is December, I want to say the 11th. 12th. December 12th. So I'm ahead of the game. I'm already thinking about 2024. I'm already in it. I'm already preparing for it. So yes. I just have to, when it comes to my hair, come up with some other styles to where I don't have to do that much heat. And I think tonight when I do my hair and put it up, I will either leave my bangs out because then it'll be a whole lot easier, and just put the bonnet around this part. I really need to find my other bonnet. Like I have some big ones, like some jumbo ones, to where it just, allows your hair to breathe a whole lot more. But I don't know where they are, so I had to go get another bonnet from the beauty supply store. Are you okay? What are you doing?
No. Said they came for the basement.
What basement? We don't have a basement.
No, I have a basement in the laundry room. There's a basement in the laundry room.
To meet the standard
Why we're in the laundry room?
quota of society.
No, that's a basement in the laundry room.
No, it's not a basement.
No, I saw the noises. I saw the basement coming.
Okay. Well, be at peace. Okay.
I can't leave my piece.
What are you talking about, sugar girl?
I can't leave my piece anymore.
Well, stay with mommy,
In this earth, in essence, will pass
and I'll help you.
Okay.
Imagine you try to meet the standard of people.
What's up with the show? Are you still watching the show?
Yeah.
Or are you ready for me to put a movie on?
Do what you want.
No.
Listen to your heart.
I'm not ready to put a movie on. I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want a movie.
Wicked.
I'm gonna lock the door. I'm gonna lock the door and then we hit the basement. I'm going to hit the basement and then I will go in my room and then I will be in there and then for 1 minute.
Okay. So this is the style for today. As you see, I just had to fix my bangs, my bangs. And I got this cute little ponytail holder. And in another video, I'll show y'all the little colors. It's only $3.99. So yeah, that's my thing. So, we're going to get some cute accessories to help, give a little bit more oomph to our hair. And maybe one day I'll get into the haul stuff, walking in, showing you the type of things that I like to pick, self-care products, and really that's it. So today it's going to be focusing on my business, also being edified in the Word of God. I have some errands to do today, so me and Naomi are going to go out and do those errands, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cute, easy, hairstyle to do. And while I was at Ross, I got me like some cute chapstick with different colors. So I'm gonna have a little popping lip later on. So I'm excited. I'm feeling myself. All right. So y'all have a good one. Follow, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And you'll see more from me and my family. Have a good day.